Welcome to the Paper Craft Time channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these cute cupcake toppers. We're going to start with our items. So first you're going to need the topper, and then you're also going to need something to stick them to the dowels or the toothpicks. Here I have sticky tape. I also have sticky dots. These are super helpful if you don't have hot glue. So here you can see that I am taking the sticky double-sided tape and putting it on the end of the flag. So that way when it's ready and to be taken off, we can very easily attach the dowel to it, as you can see I'm doing here. You can hold it for 5 seconds. I have it sped up because I ended up holding it for 11. And then you can just simply repeat this entire process with more sticky double-sided tape, or you can use the sticky tabs. And again, you don't need hot glue for this project, but you can use it if you'd like. Now that you have all of your tabs finished, you can very easily put them inside the cupcakes, and look how gorgeous they are! Now you can enjoy a very lovely 4th of July.